n is equal to k plus 1. True for n is equal to k plus 1. So this is the chance what I can say that to prove the statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Now I would like to prove this one, a power k plus 1. This is equal to a power k into a power k into a. This is equal to a power k. Already we know that 1 plus 2k minus 4k, again k, again 1 minus 2k. It is a power k into a is already we know that a is 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Now I have to multiply these two, a power k into a. This I can multiply properly like this. 3 into 1 plus 2k, again minus 4k into 1. So it is minus 4k. Would you follow here? Minus 4k into 1. Again this part 1 plus 2k into minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 plus 2k minus 4k into minus 1. That's it. Again k into 3, that is 3k, this line into, and plus 1 into 1 minus 2k. Again this k into 4, that is minus 4k minus 1 into 1 minus 2k. Minus 1 into 1 minus 2k. So these are the cases what we have like this. So this is the part of a power k plus 1, a power k into a. So this is the part of the a power k plus 1. Now I would like to simplify this entire part. See here, already we got the a power k plus 1 into a as like this. If I simplify this entire part, what we get it as, we may observe this one. This can be written as like this. Here this one is an important thing here. This we can simplify as like this. Here 3 plus 6k minus 4k, right? Minus 4 minus 8k plus 4k, right? Again 3k plus 1 minus 2k. Again minus 4k minus 1 plus 2k. This is the part. Right. You people got the answer now. Now it can be written as like this one. In this stage we may calculate it as this one. This will be obtained as 3 plus 2k. Again this also minus 4 minus 4k. Again this also k plus 1. Again this also minus 2k minus 1. Conveniently I write this entire part as like this, 1 plus 2 into k plus 1. Are you able to understand or not? Here 2k plus 2. I am skipping the one step here. Originally we can write like this, or else I may do this part as in this way. In a simpler method you are able to understand now. Here 3 plus 2k, I write 1 plus 2 plus 2k. Among these two I took the minus 4 common from this 1 plus k. Again here also no need to take the common, I write as easily k plus 1. Here I may write minus 2k, here I need the minus 2 plus 1. I think you people understand this. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So that's why I am writing. You may feel why I am doing. Now only you can understand this part. Here if I am writing this one, in this stage I may got this part. Here by simplifying this all, we may get it as in this way. See, 1 plus 2 is common, therefore 1 plus k. Again already minus 4 common here, 1 plus k. Again already here k plus 1. Again already 1 minus 2 common, 1 plus k or k plus 1. This is the part. You observe that by putting n is equal to k plus 1, it is nothing but a power k plus 1. Is it right or not? A power k plus 1. Where n is k plus 1, you got there 1 plus 2k plus 1. So this is the n. This is the minus 4n. Like that. By substituting that, it is equal to a power k plus 1. So we can write hence it is proved for, hence it is proved for n is equal to k plus 1. See, we proved for n is equal to 1, we proved for n is equal to k, we proved for n is equal to k plus 1. Therefore, finally we may come to conclusion, hence it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Then finally we may write, or hence a power n is, we may write like this, hence a power n is, hence a power n is equal to 1 plus 2n, n minus 4n, 1 minus 2n, for all n belongs to n. So it is proved. So this is the case of the a power n. We got the a power n part. This is called as a mathematical next method. So this is the one of the another example while solving these. Right. We proved the SAQ'S also. Now we may took the 2 to 3 examples for the VSAQ'S. That means for 2 marks also so many questions are obtained. That also we can solve that based on these. We are able to understand. For example, in 2 marks, I am asking these questions these are the simpler questions only. Everybody you are more acquainted is that. So here I make you like this. That is one thing you can say that. That is one example for 2 marks. That is a VSAQ. I am converting now. I am covering the VSAQ model questions. VSAQs are very simple, and how to write that we can understand. Here find they may give like this. First question example for VSAQ. I am telling that VSAQs here in the matrices and VSAQs I am covering now. That means very short answer questions. They may give like this, ma. In this case, first question is simple question. It's a 2 marks question. Find the inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix. They may provide the 1 2 by 2 matrix. They given like this matrix for 1 2 3 minus 5. 1 2 3 minus 5. Find the inverse of the matrix 1 2 3 minus 5. Right, sir. Listen. A is 1 2 3 minus 5. Actually, these steps are very important. You took like this. If A is, we have the one formula directly. A is ABCD. ABCD. This implies A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC, D minus B minus C, A. So this is the inverse matrix. It's a for 2 by 2 matrices we can find the inverse as like this. A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC, D minus B minus CA. So this is the inverse matrix. So simply we can write directly the formula. A inverse 1 by AD minus 5 minus 10. Right? A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is minus 5. AD minus BC into D, that is minus 5, minus B minus 2, minus C minus 3, A 1. So this is the part. I may write like this, minus 1 by 15 into 5 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3, 1. So this is the case of A inverse. So A inverse is like this. A inverse is minus 1 by 15 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3, 1. So like that you got the A inverse matrix. It's a 2 marks question. You remember, it's a VSAQ question. Now I may consider the another example for 2 marks. Another example for 2 marks question. It's also a one more 2 marks question. We can cover this as a 2 marks question of this. So how can we find that for a 2 marks question? They provided as like this. They may provide, we are doing the VSAQs. They given A as like this, I0, if A is I 0 0 minus I, then find you have to find out A square. Okay, you got the A as I0 0 0 minus I, then find A square. They provide in bracket I square is equal to minus 1. Or else if they won't provide with usual notations, you know that I is a imaginary number, I square is minus 1. This is our property, regular property. So I have to find out a square. This a square, can I write it as like this? I 0 0 minus I into I 0 0 minus I. You multiply this.